Kako postaneš Slovenec? Z Slovenskim. 14. del. Part 14.
Kako govoriš o seksu?
There's a petrol station near where I live. It's pretty much like any other gas station. However, in the cafe, there's a naked lady calendar hanging on the wall. Being Slovene means not noticing and not caring, but coming from the US, it's still surprising. Even 10 years later, I still have trouble with things like that. When I first saw the calendar, I started thinking about what would happen back in America if a gas station had naked ladies hanging in public, in plain view of children and ordinary people. Turning on the radio, you'd probably hear something like this.
Huge mistake. You're asking for the wrath of Almighty God to fall on this nation. And when it falls, it won't be fun. It won't be fun.
Then there'd be such an uproar that the CEO of Petrol would have to come and offer a public apology, a really long and embarrassing one. It would probably sound something like this.
I give my pledge that we will not rest until we make this right. We're a strong company and no resources will be spared. We and the entire industry will learn from this terrible event and emerge stronger, smarter and safer. Thank you.
And I'm not really exaggerating here. Remember how Janet Jackson had to apologize for showing just part of her breast during the Super Bowl halftime show?
The whole thing went wrong in the end. I am really sorry if I offended anyone. That was truly not my intention.
And not just Janet. I mean, even President Obama had to apologize for calling a lawyer the, quote, best-looking attorney general in the country, end quote. A White House spokesman had to come out and say sorry on the president's behalf.
Look, I think I made clear he apologized for creating this distraction and believes very strongly that Attorney General Harris is an excellent Attorney General.
When I worked for Bloomberg in New York, we had to attend a seminar on sexual harassment in the workplace. In that seminar, we were told that any comments about a female's appearance would be enough to cost us our jobs. Even if a female coworker had, say, a new haircut, we were told to keep our mouths shut or risk getting fired. The logic behind this, of course, is that women should feel comfortable in their working environment and that they're not there to be flirted with or told how good or bad they look, but to work. Now, you can imagine what a total shock it was to come from an environment like that to the rough and rowdy cafeteria of RTV Slovenia.
Glejo, pomladansko lepotičko. Ta prava si, pomlad je prišla, jaz ne vem, zakaj se ženske toliko skrivate, ne?
Glejte, nisem prosila za komentar.
Prava stvar je, glej, jaz se popolnoma strinjam, da ženske pokažete svoje čare.
Eno, kaj vas nekaj, da sem malo hitreje.
Pa ne, zakaj me ignoriraš? Jaz sem ti dal kompliment, dobro zgledaš. Se zavedaš ti tega? Mislim, vsaka ženska ne zgleda dobro, dobro te kot ti imaš.
Hudič, kam sem prišel? I have to say, I have nothing but admiration for Slovenian women for putting up with some of this shit for so long. In my opinion, they should be awarded the Nobel Peace Prize.
The 2014 Nobel Peace Prize goes to Slovenian women for courageously not killing every Slovenian man in the country, despite all the stupid things they say.
I have to say, though, that Slovenia has changed a lot since I've arrived. I mean, when I first came, there was hardcore pornography on local television. And the new generation doesn't seem as rough and rowdy to me. I do hope the up-and-coming generation of Slovenian women will have it easier. And I also hope I'm not around if they do snap and start killing every man in the country.
How to become a Slovene with Slovensky.